Hello everyone. I'm recording this video because I wanted to show uh, how difficult it was to replace a gas cap, um, or explain rather. Um, what I'm showing right now is the old gas cap and the old clip that I had to break. Um, what I found out, like from the service department, was that because these things tend to wear out because everything is made of plastic. Because it's made of plastic, it tends to wear out. So they suggested that I replace the clip too. You can't save it. Um, so so I'd have to purchase both of them. Unfortunately, I had to purchase it separately because the clip doesn't come with the gas cap. Um, and I paid, I think, $50 plus tax, I think, for that, for the gas cap, and I paid, I think, 69 cents for the replacement clip. Why Honda decided to do that separately, I don't know. Um, it's more inefficient than anything else because I had to wait an extra day before I removed the clip, uh, because I had to order it. I had to order it and wait for an extra day for that to come in. The other thing is, the biggest issue I had with watching all these videos online is that many of them say you can save the clip. You can save the clip, but I have not seen to date anybody who have shown how to do it. They've shown the after they've removed it, and I don't know if it can be done. And like I said before, the service department just recommends just replace everything altogether, gas cap and the clip. So that's basically it. So so if you want to replace the everything, just you have to break that clip itself. And it will take a little bit of time too. You'll need two sets of pliers, um, because I've tried to do that. I was trying to spin it, and it would also turn on the other end. And this plastic is very tough. That's the thing with it. Anyway, just wanted to tell you about it, and hopefully you'll get some, a little bit of less stress from that. So, and if you can't do it, go to the service department or somebody who can do it for you. You can pay them a little bit extra money for it. That shouldn't be any problem. But anyway, just take care, everybody. Okay? Thanks.